Our next adventure is a 6-day Caribbean cruise from Galveston, Texas to Honduras.
Dito na kami ngayon sa Galveston sa port. Sasakay kami ng barko. Ang pangalan yata ng barko is, anong pangalan ng barko?
Royal Caribbean.
Yung Royal Caribbean. So, 1 week kami mag-i-stay doon. Kasama ko si Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Kamusta naman?
My first time to
sakay ng malaking barko.
Yeah, in a big cruise.
Ayan, si Ara. Sama si Ara.
Si Mami, dalawa tulog na.
Si Mami, dalawang bata.
Mami. Hello.
Pakiramdam ni Mami.
Wala pa, antay mo pag nakita na yung malaking cruise. Surprise! Surprise!
From Houston, we land travel to reach the Galveston, Texas.
So, andito ako ngayon sa Galveston Port. Kasama ko si Lamame, Daddy. Andito ako ngayon sa isang parking area. Bali, ginamit namin yung sasakyan namin para pumunta sa for cruise. So may malapit na parking area dito, guys. Indoor siya. So 1 week kong ini-stay dito yung sasakyan. So almost $200 ang charge nila. So okay naman, maganda naman yung loob. Maganda yung mga parking spaces. Maluwag. Tsaka safe dahil may bubong. Kahit umulan o bumagyo, mukhang safe na may sasakyan. Hi. Mami, say hi. Hi. They're boarding now.
At Royal Caribbean.
Okay.
Ayun, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
The cruise ship that we aboard is called the Harmony of the Seas. The ship is huge, and it's like a 5-star hotel, but it's just situated at the sea. It's said that the Harmony of the Seas is one of the biggest ships in the world. It's said the ship can accommodate more than 5,000 guests and have less than 3,000 rooms to accommodate guests. As we enter the ship, the lobby is wide and have a very high ceiling. A lot of people are roaming around. Perhaps everyone wants to see the overall what the ship looks like. It really seems there's a lot of activities going on inside the ship, and we don't even know where to start. So after we ate on a pizza restaurant, we headed to see our room.
Dalawa?
Apat.
Ano pa yung isa?
Ay, teka. Isya ka.
That we will be staying for 6 nights. We rest for a while and play with the kids.
Hey yo, Missy yo, dance.
The next day, we brought the kids to swim in the pool. The kids seems enjoying playing in the pool.
Sabi mo sa Harmony of the Sea?
Okay naman, maganda. Sarap ang pagkain, dami.
And adding slides and other amenities added flavor to it.
Say hi!
There's also big slides for adults to enjoy. And I had a thrilling experience riding one of their big pool slides. The ship offers a variety types of pool, from babies to adults to use.
Isha, say hi!
There's even pool spa which my family enjoyed. It feels so relaxing.
Say hi! Nasa jacuzzi sila ngayon. Hello! Jacuzzi time! Jacuzzi! Dati, nagja-jacuzzi.
On our second day, as we were cruising, outside the ship is just pure sea. Hearing the water splashing into the ship and breathing some fresh air coming from the sea feels so relaxing and peaceful. One of the memorable moments we experienced during our cruise are the variety of foods that we ate. From breakfast,
You want egg? Okay. Eat the bacon first. Yeah, friend.
lunch, and dinner, all you can eat. And it's included on the basic package. There's a variety of cuisine to choose from Asian food, Mediterranean, etc. You name it, they have it.
Aisha, ice cream. You like the ice cream? Yes. Yay! Delicious. Yummy. Nice. Yes. Ice cream.
Aside from foods, there are a lot of other amenities inside the Harmony of the Seas cruise. There's a mini golf course,
Hi, Ma. Ayos. Gold. Ayos, gold.
which my family enjoyed. There's an arcade games room. There's a mini zip line, an art gallery and casinos. There's also a surf simulator, which is my first time to try and had an amazing experience. There are also several shows you can attend to.
Hi, Daddy. Hi to Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
And I can say one of the world-class performance I'd seen.
Little girl, or 5 or 6 or 7, I can't resist a joyous urge.
We also made some dancing shows of our own. Inside the ship, there's also a place they called Central Park. It looks like a sanctuary of plants and flowers and have a tropical ambience feel. It's said there's about 10,000 plants and flowers in the area. Also in the park, there are fine dining restaurants for which we ate on an Italian restaurant to celebrate our marriage anniversary.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wish muna, wish.
1, 2, 3.
Let's see who's powerful.
On our third day cruise, we finally reached our first destination, the Costa Maya, Mexico. And then the next day, we reached Roatan in Honduras. We went on a tour to see some places in Roatan, Honduras. The first place we saw is an old church near the seaside. And then after that, we went on a garden park filled with different types of plants and flowers. Lastly, we went to Macau Market to see the Roatan local products.
Is this cute? Looks good.
Is that a local made in
It's local
Honduras?
made, right? Yes, ma'am. And the mahogany came from your tree? Yes, ma'am. From Honduran tree?
One of their main product that we really love is their locally produced chocolates.
Ito daw gusto niya.
That's
This is
milk
what they
chocolate.
like. Oh, your hand.
Wow.
Come on. Come.
Ayoko nito.
Hold your hand.
Ito na lang tayo.
Okay, try. Taste it. Did you like it? Wow, what's that?
Kakainin ko yun.
It's fine for $20.
How was it? Good?
This one's good.
Chocolate?
Then the last cruise destination before heading back to Galveston is at Cozumel, Mexico. From Cozumel Port, we ride a van going to the Chancanaab Park. I and my family went to swim on their pool. Then we watched a sea lion show. Then I decided to look around the park and I saw some stone walls and statue that seems interesting. Overall, our 6-day cruise was one of my unique experience. And it's also my first time to ride a big cruise ship. I'm truly grateful for this amazing experience and happy to do it with my family. Thanks Caribbean Cruise. Until next time, bye for now.